All right, guys, welcome back to our Lightworks version 14 video tutorial series. This is the last video of our basics using just the basic tools on Lightworks version 14. And what we're going to show you today is how to export your final product. You can upload it directly to YouTube, Vimeo, or to some kind of saving device like a flash drive, a removable drive of some kind, and you can then turn that in using, if it's a class project, using Google Classroom or Nearpod or any of the other programs. So what we want to do, and you can do this from either the Log tab or the Edit tab, is we're going to click on Sequences. And when we show right here that we're clicked on Sequences, you can see the clipboard. This is where our videos are stored, our video clips are stored, but then our actual sequence video 1. So we want to right click on Sequence, and you can see that there are lots of other sequence commands that we can do and use, but we're just going to show you some basics today. So we're going to highlight over to Export. Now we can export it into a couple of different places. Now, depending on the version, you can export it directly to a Blu-ray or a DVD Pro setup. You can also upload it directly to Vimeo, YouTube, or anywhere else. So we're just going to, choose Vimeo. Now, what we want to do is we want to make sure that this is as clean and as clear as possible. So we're going to make the frame rate as high as possible. And the size as large as possible. It's going to make our video look as nice as possible as it can possibly be. And at this point, we can click this button right here where it says upload to vimeo.com. We can simply click on that right there, put that checkbox in, and then we can have a nice little feature right here where it allows us to log in to Vimeo using our username, type in a couple of taglines in there as well, and then we can go ahead and hit start. This would be the same as if we chose, and I'll show you real quick by clicking off. We'll go back to export and choose YouTube. Well, it's going to be the exact same thing. If we click here, asks us our username, our password, we can tag it a couple of ways, and it'll upload directly into YouTube. The third and final way that I'm going to show you today, though, is we're going to actually click off, so it's not going to YouTube or Vimeo, but instead to a destination drive. And we can do that simply by clicking here and choosing where we want to send it to. Okay, click on Places, and then again, you have several different options. So we're going to choose our removable drive, letter D, which is our flash drive. Then we'll click on that and just click OK. Or you can create a new folder if you want to be a little more organized about it. But we're just going to click OK. At this point, we can also put a title in there so that the file has a name, and we're just going to call it Shots and Angles. And this is for my 8A class, so we're going to say that that's group 8A, or class 8A, group D. Okay, so this is my fourth group, or what I call group D. Okay, and at this point, we would just go ahead and hit start. You'll be able to see that it's go ahead and depending on the speed of the computer, it'll export fairly quickly. We usually get these done in about 3 to 4 minutes total. And we're not using the highest quality of computers in doing so. But that's it, guys. That's how you export it. And then once it's on your flash drive, you can import it or upload it to anything you want it to. I hope this helps, and I hope you will use Lightworks version 14 for all your video needs. And we will see you next time.